Hi parents, I have one more tutorial I wanted to show you to help with Google Meet. So once you're on our Google Classroom, to get into our links for whole group meetings and for tonight's read aloud, you're going to click on the Google link found on our page. Then you're going to click Join Now. Now, there's 3 dots found right here, and you can change the layout. I'm going to change it to tiled. So again, go to the 3 dots, change layout, and then you can change it to tiled view. Once you have done that, I believe it will save it each time, hopefully. But the tiled view will allow your child to see everyone in class and also myself. So this is the view that I will use so that I can see all of them. So just one more time, once you're in the Google Meet, you're going to click on the 3 dots, change layout, and tiled view. Then that will let them see everyone. One more thing I wanted to remind you of is the mute, to turn off their microphone and turn it back on. Then if you're having any issues with your camera, this is the camera button right here. So now that's no camera, and then camera's on, and obviously the red phone will leave the call. So when we're done at the end of the meetings, your child can click the red phone to leave the call. So we have the microphone. If it's muted, you'll see the red, unmute, and then the camera. So if it's red, that means your camera is not on. If it's on like that, then I can see your child. And again, to change the layout, the 3 dots, change layout, and tiled view so they can see all of their friends in class. Again, if you have not had a chance to join our Google Classroom, please do so as soon as possible. And I hope to see everyone tonight for our read aloud at 5 p.m.